Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to change aspect ratio in Canva. So let's get started. First, I'm going to open up one of my designs. And all you have to do is click Resize and Magic Switch at the top left corner. Now keep in mind, this feature does require Canva Pro, so you won't be able to use this feature unless you have the subscription. But yeah, you just pick from one of these aspect ratios here. There's plenty, of course. There's also videos, presentations, social media, and custom size. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.